Alright, I'm about to get dressed. I'll let you know outside.
Bad.
Alright,
I'm
bro.
sending my Eddie.
Alright.
Say that.
Oh, you're out. Could you do it?
We gonna figure that out later.
Alright. Listen, man. So today we got a little video for y'all.
We trying to see who top freaks is that we know.
Yeah, we got a little competition going on in the Philadelphia community. We're trying to see who the top freaks in our little friend group going on.
Currently, in the number spot, we got Kier Ave.
Yeah, somebody by the name of Freak Ave.
Yeah,
you know,
he's number one.
His grand Freak Ave, and then number two. Who number two though? And then we're gonna say, I think Malik Scott.
Malik Scott.
Yeah, Malik Scott. Yeah,
low?
Father Scott.
Yeah,
Nah, it's got to be Benji Bill right after.
Yeah.
And then Muhammad 2 times.
Yeah.
Who you think?
So basically, we gonna be calling niggas A and like we got threesomes lined up.
Yeah, we got some bitches coming on the way.
We gonna see what they say.
Yeah,
man.
see what's popping. You know what I'm saying? Slime style, all that.
Everything chrome.
First up, we got Mr. 2 times. You know, double M.
Yeah.
The freak himself.
And after you see this, you're gonna realize what we call him top freak.
TTS.
He was acting crazy.
He's like 41. I don't give a fuck. She gonna be up all night probably.
Yeah, alright.
I'll text you the address.
So someone just meet you there.
Whenever you go.
Alright.
She said she wants to get trained or nothing.
That's what she said?
That's what she said.
Where'd you meet them?
She went to Central with me.
Damn. You started acting crazy.
Yeah. But she said one of us has to eat her out. But I'm not trying to eat her out. Could you do it?
We gonna figure that out later.
You for real, bro? I'm not eating her out. It's gotta be you.
I don't want to eat it, but like, listen, we're gonna figure something out.
So,
Alright.
in conclusion,
Oh yes.
he's a freak.
Yeah.
Did y'all hear what he said? He's going in tongue.
We gonna figure it out. That's the exact words.
He's gonna figure something out. He has to figure it out. Yeah, we cutting that out. I don't know what the fuck I was talking about.
Real shit. I don't know
Yeah.
something either. What can we say?
Fuck it. That's it. Alright.
Next we got Nathan Williamson Ross. My son for real. Top freak. 2 bitches in one day.
What?
He's had 2 bitches in one day.
Damn, that's tough.
Oh, that's tough.
Fuck it.
Alright, bro. I got a puss line up for us, bro. It's a bitch trying to get a train. I swear, bro. I'm not lying, bro. Can you call the curb? I'm dead ass right now. I'll send you the address and everything.
Hey, I bet you wanna get trained.
I swear to God, bro.
You would do that, nigga.
Bro, I don't care. She said she either wants to get trained or nothing, so I don't know what to do. So I just said, I imagine at a party and this nigga she is asleep, so you do the next best thing.
Where she at?
I'll text you the address. Hold on.
Yo, you gotta be careful right now, bro.
I'm not lying, nigga. I'm dead ass. Can you come out?
I can come out, bro.
It's kind of a hike from you, though. I don't know if you want to do all that.
Let me set up for her.
But she said she wants to get eat out. Like, are you gonna do that shit? Because I'm not.
Bro, I'm not, bro. I'm not doing that.
But one of us gotta do it.
Man, I don't like fucking bitches at the same time without they fucking with a bitch. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, I was thinking like I go in, then you go in when I'm done.
I can just take this. Bro, this bitch could be trying to lie you though. I ain't gonna hold you.
That's why it's gonna be me and you there.
Let me check this page out. Make sure it's all official.
All right, go ahead, nigga.
And I know when a bitch trying to lie sometimes.
She's rich. She's like single house in the pool and everything.
She got a pool?
Yeah.
Bro, this sounds so too good to be true. Yo, bro, this sounds too good to be true.
I've been to this area though, cause that's where Freddie live.
So one more thing, just double check. I'm bored of shit. So I might just wait a minute. This kind of pool. Why is she lying?
You on Google Images with it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm really trying to prevent you from getting lying, bro.
I appreciate you, bro. But that's like Huntington Valley. Like, what Huntington Valley, but you don't get me lying.
Huntington Valley, you're right. Alright, bro. See me real.
You are going raw or nah?
You say what?
So you going in raw or you gonna use a condom? I know how you get. Mr. Plan B.
Condom, bro.
Condom? I feel it.
That's got a pull. I done just did the research on it, so that got a pull.
You got a pool?
So she ain't capping. She ain't capping about that either.
I was thinking about trying anal today. I ain't gonna lie. Like just like for the first time.
You said that.
Like why not? Cause like we never gonna see her again tonight.
So this is 100% dead ass, bro.
I'm dead ass. Yes.
Wallahi.
Yes.
Say it.
Wallahi. Just to be clear, I did say Wallahi. I didn't say Wallahi. So I'm not fasting up 3 days.
Say it right. Say Wallahi.
I did say it right, nigga.
Cap.
Bro, I'm dead ass right now. Bro, I'm not calling you for the fun.
Yo, I'll be strapped though, bro. I ain't gonna have a gun, but I'm be strapped for something.
Pause.
What was he talking about?
I don't know. In my mind, I'm like, is he gay or not? Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, he just drove heavy.
Heavily.
You dig?
Make sure this bitch don't fall asleep, bro.
Alright.
Nigga, I just took my shirt off. I guess I believe you, bro. I guess I believe you. I'm not doing this because I'm a horny boy. I'm doing this because I'm bored. Alright?
He's lying.
He's lying.
He's horny as hell.
No. He's fucking. What are you talking about?
You're leaving the camera
He's talking about you better go play basketball. So I'm doing this because I'm bored.
No, nigga, it's 2 in the morning.
Yeah,
You going
what
to
the
Northeast with
fuck?
us. What the
Yeah,
hell?
come on.
It's a lot, Nate.
All your endeavors.
Alright.
So if you betray my trust right now, done for you, son.
Alright, bro.
As you can see, I'm not gonna lie, he's very studious.
He's very thorough. He looked
he
out.
analyzed everything.
Yeah.
He was like, oh yeah, we're not gonna get lying.
I'm gonna look this up Google Earth.
Yeah.
She had a pool and everything.
He
like that.
was sitting at home. What was it, like 2 a.m.?
Yeah.
Woody.
Took his shirt off.
Yeah, he started acting
He
crazy.
did act crazy. I wish you could put like this, a face like the screen recording.
Fuck that. Next up. Big titty boob.
Yo, boy.
What's up, bro?
Bro, what you doing right now?
Playing GTA?
You come out the crib right now?
Probably not. I mean, well, what's up? You good?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get trained, bro, and like no one's like available right now. And I was like, bro, don't look at me like that. I'm dead ass right now. I send you the information and everything. Like she really trying to get ran through.
So, Allah,
Allah Azim.
what?
I said Allah Azim. She's really trying to get ran through, bro. I'll send you the information and everything. I'm not bullshitting you right now.
So why you calling me?
Because Mazin is at the party. He not trying to leave, and she just rocked. And Mo can't leave the crib. You know how his parents get it.
So just going to team
I'm calling you, and I'm on the phone. So who the fuck you think gonna team her?
You and me?
Yeah, not at the same time though. I'm going in and you going in.
Where at?
Her, I'll send you the address.
Bro, you dead?
I'm dead ass, bro. I swear to God. I sent you the address just now. You wanna see what you look like?
Yeah.
Alright, I got you. You trying to like eat her out though? Cause I'm not trying to do that shit. You know how bitches get. What you mean, no?
Super dead. Bro, she lives 5 minutes away from my crib.
So you said.
You going too?
No, Yaku, I'm not going with you. I'm just calling you for fun. I said me and you twice already. What is wrong with you? Are you dumb?
No, I just gave you the information for no reason. That's something I'm going. You should be grateful I'm hitting you up. There could have been a lot of niggas I hit up. You funny as shit, nigga. You cheese hard as shit. You see what you look? I just sent you a picture.
Oh, no. Let me see. For real?
Yes, nigga. I was dead ass. Come on, playing.
Alright, then. How about this? You come to my crib, pick me up,
Alright.
so we can go.
Alright. I'm about to get dressed. I'll let you know outside.
Alright.
Alright,
I'm
bro.
gonna send you my Addy.
Alright. Well, as you can see, Big Booby Yagoob is obviously a freak.
Next up, we have Rashawn Henry, pork chop, live in the flesh, full effect. What you gotta say?
Top freak. One of the top freaks.
You gotta put your glasses on.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Because I can't see what these bitches on.
Yeah.
Yo, boy. What you doing?
I'm in the crib, bro.
Bro, why you smiling at me like that, bro?
Why you call me at 2 in the morning?
Nigga, it's a situation I need your help with.
Like right now?
Yeah, like a bitch trying to get ran through, and no one's answering me back. You the only nigga who answered.
So she tried to get hit by 2?
Yes, bro. That's what she said. I seen that and everything.
But what you say, bro?
Huh?
So she's trying to get hit by 2 niggas?
Yes, that's what she requested. She's a top freak. Yeah, bro. No bullshit.
Who is it?
I seen your picture right now.
You serious right now?
I'm dead ass, bro.
Right now?
Yes, right now, nigga.
Where?
I seen the address.
Are you serious? You
Bro,
where?
I'm not bullshitting you, nigga. I'm dead fucking ass right now. You think I'm calling you 2 in the morning asking for threesomes for fun? This is what I do. I just do this shit for fun.
Yup.
Bro, this shit is 30 minutes away from me, bro.
Bro, but you see her, bro?
She's tough.
She's tough as shit.
All the way up in the northeast.
Yeah, she's like 5 minutes from my crib. You can slide to my house and we could go there together.
And they can't wait till the morning?
No, nigga, she said now.
I'm gonna get dressed, bro.
Alright, bro, hold up. Don't get dressed or nothing, bro. Let me make sure everything cool before you get dressed.
Alright, bro.
Alright, I'll hit you back.
Pork chop.
He was cheesing her shit the whole vid.
Yeah.
He was down to come from West Philly to Northeast.
West Philly. I would never do that.
2 in the morning.
What was that, like an hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, he must be smoking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It took me 5 minutes to convince him to come now.
Yeah, he was drunk.
He was.
He was very drunk.
Anything with a puss.
Very drunk.
It's
His
like-
name is Porky.
Yeah.
He's like a little child.
Yeah, he is.
Like my fault. I'm high as shit.
You can set. I just set my phone right here. You could kick it up against that, or is that you?
How?
Hold on.
Is you fried? Nigga, this shit not gonna work.
Try.
Alright, this the outro.
Dribbling again, dribbling again, dribbling again, dribbling again, dribbling again, dribbling again, yeah, you dig?